morning everyone. So today I'm out by the Palisadoes Strip. I'm going to participate in the Rotaract Club of Kingston's beach cleanup. It's now 6:58 and we're supposed to start at 7 o'clock. So right around the time we're going to jump into it. So let's go.
Hi, my name is Tony Moore Stewart and I am the Director of Community Service for the Rotaract Club of Kingston. I'm here today with
Kavon McNeil, President of Rotaract Club of St.
And Wade Edwards Green, President of the Rotaract Club.
Alright, so we took the initiative today to do a beach cleanup. We're located at Upper Palisadoes Road. It was a multi-club initiative. We had about 4 to 5 Rotaract clubs from Jamaica East participating in the day. We collected approximately 75 bags. We were here 3 months ago and we still had a lot of garbage to collect, so it was very alarming to see how much garbage would have been accumulated over the last 3-month period of time. We are dedicated to our environment, sustainability and taking better care of it. That is one of the pillars and area of focus for Rotary and Rotaract.
So we've just done with day 2 of 3 days of beach cleanup with
RCOK,
Yeah.
Rotaract Club of Kingston.
It's not just Rotaract Club of Kingston, Natasha.
Well, today we were joined by Rotaract Club of St. Andrew. Anyways, look at the stones.
Talk about the club and the initiative and them stuff there. Yeah, should see stone.
On a daily basis, as a person, we utilize a lot of plastics and we don't tend to reuse them or repurpose them or even recycle them, and so they end up on our beaches. And sometimes fish swallow plastics and they end up choking on them, but the majority of the plastics end up on our shores, and it's just nasty. Like, we've cleaned up several piles of plastics and God alone knows how long they've been there. With this initiative, we're collecting them because we have a recycling project planned to repurpose them.
Natasha, I drive. I drive.
Let me know. May I assist? And yeah, we've been doing beach cleanups every year, and it's part of the overall theme for the month of environment. And this is how we play our part
in the welfare of the whole human race.
That's right.
Washing station?
Yes,
see?
I remember you from the Blue Mountain. Yeah, Blue Mountain. What's your name?
Akeem. Hi, Monster Rat. You have to let us know when you're recording videos, you know, so we can.
Not a video, it's just random.
We can look cute.
Okay, let me give you a chance. Okay, I'll consult the council.
Candice, you have to be what? You brought your own recyclables?
That's right.
So we've come to the end of the 3-day beach cleanup with the Rotaract Club of Kingston. I must say it's alarming to see how much debris is out here. We actually collected well over 200 bags of plastic bottles and other garbage from the beach, from the Palisadoes Strip, the beach side of the Palisadoes Strip. And I must say that this is something that we will definitely have to continue doing, these beach cleanups, but not only that, but also to look into educating, having more educational initiatives on why it is that we should dispose of our waste properly, because in the end we're only doing these things to our own detriment. Maybe not for us per se, this generation, but our children and our children's children will certainly feel the brunt of the effects of what we're doing now. We can see where climate change is happening at a rapid rate. Some places that don't get rain is now getting rain. Some places that snow doesn't fall, snow is now falling there. So we need to look into how to protect our environment better for the future, and in doing so protect our own family's livelihood as well. So that's it from me. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me, and it will certainly help this video to get to a lot more persons so they can see what took place out here for these 3 days that we've been out here. Hopefully we'll be back again sometime in the near future to continue these types of initiatives. That's it from me today. AB signing out. Best believe, say. Big up for the apple, Tony Moy. Love you. But best believe, say, while doing my outro, I walked well over. Let me show you where I'm coming from. I'm coming, you can't even see it. I'm coming from all the way up there. And the amount of takes, well, it took me 3 takes. 3 takes? No, 2 takes. It took me 2 takes to get my outro how I wanted it, or at least good enough. It wasn't perfect, but that's life for you. Nothing in life is perfect. So I just did it to the best of my ability. On the second take, there's probably mistakes in there, but who cares? It's my vlog. Can do whatever I want. Yeah, so maybe this will be some form of blooper or whatever. I don't know. But yeah, just walking back. I make sure I brought the apple with me for the journey back. Go on and enjoy my apple and live good in your neighborhood. Bye, Tony. I'm gonna do my outro, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.